The data in the CRM can be divided into three categories: masters, transaction, and activities. In this video, we will have a deep understanding of what type of data goes into masters, what goes into transactions, and what goes into activities, and how all these are related to each other. If you're able to understand the CRM data properly, means its structure, then you will be able to utilize it to the maximum, the CRM and its data. So first in this video, we will understand what goes into the masters module and what are its uses, what goes into the transactions module and what are its uses, and what goes into the activities module and what are its uses. The masters data is almost the permanent data. Why almost? Because it can change. So which modules and what type of data does it have? First is accounts. Accounts means companies or customers. Many people even keep their suppliers into accounts. Many people keep even the competitors into accounts, right? So you can put all this data into the CRM. These are all companies or groups or family heads. Some organizations are such, like they are financial wealth managers. They put the name of the head of the family into the accounts and members in the contacts. So, contacts are the people who you know through their accounts. Suppose you know a company, say Reliance Industries, then this is an account. And in Reliance Industries, if you know Mukesh Ambani, then Mukesh Ambani is your contact, right? Till this all is clear. The third is the product master. Product master has all the items that you deal in. The entire master data can be changed. Not that it cannot be changed, but it is not changed frequently. It changes only when there is some change in your business or that of the customer. For example, some contact's number is changed, then you will change the master data. You add new products, so you change the master data. Product pricing is changed, you change the master data. You can change for these. One special thing is the master data can be imported. All the data can be imported, but master data is usually imported. Let's understand the transactions. The characteristic of a transaction is that it has a start, an end, and there can be more than one outcome. This is the speciality, that there are more than one outcomes. What all are there in the transactions module? Let us see. Firstly, talking of your sales transactions, leads, opportunities, quotations, contracts, products, means the items that you sell to others. All these come under transactions. When you get a lead, it has two ends. Either the lead is dead or you convert it into an opportunity. You create an opportunity, it can have two outcomes. Either you will lose the opportunity or you will get an order. You won it. Same thing with quotations, contracts, and everything. Then comes the tickets module. There is tickets, RMA, SLA, and inward outward. In all these, there can be one or more than one outcomes. In tickets, it will be closed only. You will not keep it unclosed, else the customer will yell. Same thing with inward and outward. Inward and outward is to manage the courier parcels. There are companies which use this very diligently where they need to manage the deliveries. Apart from these, you celebrate events, you make members in those events. All are transactions. These are the transactions that you do with your accounts and your masters. So suppose you create an opportunity, with whom are you creating the opportunity? Some with the persons, some with the companies. Similarly, this opportunity gets closed as well. It's won or it's lost. So why is it called a transaction? We have already talked about it. Because it has a specific end, and the end can be more than one. And this can happen with one account or one contact many times repeatedly. It is generally related to master records. Let's see what activities are. Activities is something you did or plan to do. Both can be called activities. Calls, SMS, WhatsApp, email, check in, check out is an activity. You attach a document, that is an activity. You comment on a record, that is an activity. You mark the attendance, that is an activity. All these activities are related to either the master data or the transaction data. Activities are the main thing that we keep doing throughout the day. Now, it's necessary to understand the logic as to what will be the masters, what will be the transactions, and what will be the activities. If you have put the masters and not recorded the transactions, then it's just a database. You're not using anything. You're putting the masters and the transactions, but there is no activity. For example, you are entering an opportunity, but don't update anything in the opportunity. No comment is added, no documents are added, nor the fields which should change regularly, they are changed, nor you are doing any activity on it. You are not entering any meeting, nor any task, then everything fails. It's important to understand the three layers. What we do on a daily basis are activities, above that is the transactions, and above that is the masters. So, this completes our first chapter. Let's meet for the next chapter. It is very interesting, and its name is Managing Sales in Sangam CRM. How the whole activity and process of sales is managed in the CRM or should be managed. We will discuss that. So, see you soon in the next video, next chapter. Thank you for watching this.